Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to do a very quick video showing how you could have made 15% this morning within the space of an hour using Jeff Williams' Market Navigator service. This is my full review. You'll see a link in the description below that you can go and check out this review. This is a daily SPY trade, so every morning around market open and pre-market, Jeff Williams is sending out basically information on what he thinks the market's going to do that day, and then doing live commentary at the market open along with a proper trade alert on SPY. And this is it's always SPY options. But over the last few weeks, I've started to play around with these funded futures accounts and realized that you can do these SPY trades with E-minis. So a lot of people have been asking me about that and saying what services are good for a good strategy to get an account funded with somebody like Apex. By the way, Apex just extended their sale, so I saw they had an 80% off sale, which brings their monthly fees down from like $150 a month to like $40 a month, so you might want to check that out sooner rather than later. They do them periodically, but you just never know when one of these sales is going to come up, so you might want to check that out. But let's have a look and see what happened on this morning's trade. I had traded E-minis and Jeff did his SPY options as usual, so I put it into a little PowerPoint slide right here. So on the right here you can see the actual alerts. Hopefully I'll zoom in here. So 5 minutes after market open, this is 9:34 Eastern time, he bought the March 29th 396 calls at 6:41, and about an hour later they'd moved up to around 7:25. He had a really nice move in the market this morning, so this is where he bought his SPY calls, and then we kind of thrashed around for a while, and then within about an hour, boom, right all the way up to here, so 399.7 on SPY. And we're still waiting for the Fed stuff, probably in a couple hours here. And so it was nice to be able to get this trade done and dusted right before any of that nonsense kicks in the afternoon. So let's look at the results a little bit here. So you could have bought SPY options for a long time. I was doing that with Jeff Williams, buy SPY options in the morning and just ride them out. And he has a really high success rate, like over 80%. He keeps a full trading journal which shows all of his results, all imported from his broker, which is really nice, really transparent. And so he was able to get about 13%. So down here you can see 13% on the SPY options, which is really nice. But I did this on my funded futures account on Apex, and I was able to trade the ES, and I got 15 points, or almost 15 points on the ES. And if you know futures, you know that on ES each point is worth $50. So for each ES that I had, $750. I had 3, so that I could have had a $22.50 profit here, but of course I didn't get the exact move. So this is just to try and make the math easy for you, to show here. And so 3 E-minis is about 12,000 in buying power, which is a 15% return. There's a screenshot of what I actually got on the day. So you can see the power of these funded futures accounts. This would be using about 10% of the 100k funded futures account, and for that, when you have 80% off, you're only paying $40 a month, right? So you can see that you're risking $40 a month, but you can make $1,700 just using Market Navigator on the first day. So it's kind of a no-brainer, and it took me a long time to really be convinced about this. And one of the guys in the Facebook group really said, hey, you should try this, and I've been really enjoying doing it, and I've been doing it on Jeff Williams' Market Navigator service, so make sure you check that out. Really good service. It focuses on the market stuff in particular, so it's well suited towards something like one of these funded futures accounts. Unfortunately, they don't do these funded accounts on anything except for futures, it seems. There's some Forex ones, some crypto ones maybe, somewhere, I don't know. I think it's mainly Forex and futures. I haven't really seen anything with stock and options, so if you want to use other people's money, which is the best type of money to use, right, then you really need to go with one of these funded futures accounts like Apex. So they're becoming more and more popular, and I'm really enjoying it. I think it's a fun way to do this. And I already passed an eval account. Somebody was asking about that, and working towards an actual funded account. I think I'm at 103,000 now, and profit target's 106,000 before you can withdraw any money, so it's pretty cool. Alright guys, hopefully that's helpful. Check out Jeff Williams' Market Navigator service, and I'll talk to you soon.